Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex Analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP USD, and as we all know that there was a sudden selling pressure on the GBP USD chart, and if you have watched my previous videos on GBP USD, then you knew it from before only that a sudden selling pressure is about to come on the chart of GBP USD, because we have been discussing about the chart of US dollar for quite some time, because as we all know that US dollar has a correlation with the GBP USD chart. When dollar goes up, GBP goes down, and when dollar goes down, GBP British pound goes up. And dollar was under the selling influence, or there was severe selling on the US dollar for last couple of days, and this was the main reason GBP was in uptrend. And when dollar reached this particular support here, I clearly mentioned that we were about to see some recovery on the US dollar. Yes, I was not hoping that this recovery would be so sharp. Okay, I was just hoping that yes, there would be some recovery. But yes, I was also not anticipating that this recovery would be so sharp. Because see, this was the support. Okay, if I zoom out the chart, you can see that yes, dollar was in downtrend, but after reaching this support, dollar tried to recover, and this was the main reason we were hoping that dollar would be recovering. Because when there was a severe selling pressure on the US dollar chart previously, this was the level that provided support, and as a result, it got the support again. And right now you can see that US dollar is very much bullish, going up. Okay, and this looks like a trend reversal right now. And if you look at the chart of GBP USD, 4 hours chart of GBP USD, we can see that market is right now trading below the weekly support. Previously, when US dollar was going up, GBP USD was somehow struggling. Okay, somehow struggling to maintain, or somehow trying to hold the weekly support level here. But right now you can see that at last it looks like that GBP British pound has surrendered, and right now market is trading below the weekly support here. But still, if you look at the candle precisely, then you can see that still there are some price rejections. Still buyers are trying their best to lift the price upward. Okay, and apart from this resistance, okay, apart from this weekly level here, we have also resistance in the form of this trend line. If you have watched my other videos, then you know this trend line very well, because if we zoom out the chart of GBP USD, you can see that for a long time this trend line has been acting as a strong dynamic support for the market. And apart from these two levels, we have got support at 1.3600, and this support level is quite far away, so we do not need to discuss. Okay, so we have got two resistance level right now, and we are not sure about the any proper support here, because if you look at the chart of GBP USD, we do not see any prominent support here. So what should be a strategy then? The strategy is simple. Looking at the present condition of the market here, looking at the present bullishness in the US dollar, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. Right now market is trading below the weekly level here, 1.3780. But still I'll request you to not to short the market right away, because if you look at the 1 2 3, okay, out of 6 candles, okay, out of 6 candles, if you look at the 3 candles here, 1 2 3, then you can see that there is some price rejection from below, which signifies the presence of buyers in the market. So I'll request you to wait for 1 or 2 candles more and just see how the price is reacting or doing. If you, after 4 to 6 hours, after 1 or 2 candles, if you see the same selling pressure on the market, if you see market still trading below the 1.3780 level, then you'll get the confirmation that the weekly support, this weekly support has become the new resistance, and then you can short the market. And on the other hand, if market starts going up from here, Listen to me carefully. If market starts going up from here, you still do not need to open any buy order. Do not go for any buy order, because see, first of all, we do not know about this level yet. We are not sure whether this level is a support or resistance now. We are not sure about the role here. I'm telling you to wait for a market to give you a confirmation yet. Market is trading below the weekly support level. Market may or may not be able to hold the level. So do not go for buy order, and if you go for buy also, again you will be facing resistance in the form of this trend line. Therefore, do not go for any buy order here until and unless there is a severe selling on the US dollar. Okay, until and unless there is a severe selling on the US dollar, do not think about buying right now. Short the market below this level after one or two candles if you see the same selling pressure. And on the other hand, if market starts going up from here, you will get a good opportunity to short the market at the trend line again. So this is your first trading opportunity, and this trend line is your second trading opportunity. Okay. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, this is the Forex sentiment meter. You will find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. In the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 62% retail traders have taken long position and 37% retail traders have taken short position. And as we all know, 90%, more than 90% retail traders lose money because they fail to follow the trend of the market. This market is in downtrend right now. Okay, therefore they are in loss right now, and there is a good possibility that market would be going down from here. So my dear friends, do not follow the crowd. Follow with proper analysis, follow with proper logic. Okay, short the market here if this level, this weekly support becomes the new resistance, and if market goes up from here, short the market at the trend line. That's it. And my dear friends, recently I have launched a Pro Trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis, where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities with you. If you are interested, just go through the information here. You'll find everything on this website, avilashhazarika.com, under the Pro Trader section. So this is it. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.